Now for step number 4 of the process of setting up your website, you are going to need to, of course, make sure you've gone to your download page, whatever PLR product you're using, and download the files to your computer. So you want to make sure all those files are downloaded onto your computer so that you can use them. So what you'll see here is inside here, this is an example of the sales pages that were included with this product. There's actually 6 of them made available, so we're just going to go with number 1. And you should see all the files unzipped, and it should look like this in their HTML version. So I'm going to go out and open up my Composer because I actually am using Composer for this example. So we're going to go out here to our Downloads folder, and that's where we have Composer loaded up. So I'm just going to open up Composer here. And what you're going to see inside of Composer is it's going to be blank like this. You're going to see, basically, there's not going to be anything going on the page when you first open it up. So what you want to do here, the first step within Composer is to go up here to the top where it says Open, and you're going to navigate on your computer. You're going to navigate to where you actually downloaded the actual file. So we're going to start with sales page, with the sales page here. So we'll go with sales page right here, and we're just going to open it up. And it's going to look like what you're looking at right here. So on the sales page, you're just going to see everything sitting there. This is basically what your, the sales page that you were given when you first got this product. So what you want to do inside Composer here is you can change anything you want on this page. You can change the headline, but that's really not what we're about here. We're here about changing the bare necessities. So we're going to go here and just change our name from the desk of John Smith. And I'm going to go ahead and scroll all the way down here, and there's really nothing else that really needs to be fixed here. Everything should load up correctly for you. If everything loaded up, you should see the images here on your sales page. And if you want to change anything, all you have to do is put your mouse in there and you can edit it just like you were editing like a Microsoft Word document or anything of that nature. So very, very simple for you to go through here and edit these files. So I'm just going to scroll here. If there's anything else you want to change, you can feel free to change that. So I'm going to come down here to this part of the content here. And this is the part where you would actually want to change. A lot of PLR courses, they do not include testimonials, and that's actually a good thing because by law you're not allowed to use testimonials that were given to somebody else. So there's a reason you're not going to find testimonials on this product or on any other PLR product. So for this step, you're going to need to go through here and either add your own testimonials, and if you don't have testimonials yet, you can go out to a forum in your industry and make a post in there and tell them, hey, you've got a product for review, and ask people to send you a private message if they would like to review it. And then you can get a few testimonials that way. You can contact people other people you might have a relationship with, and see about getting a testimonial. So, but if you are, one where you don't have a testimonial yet, you could actually just plain delete this section by just highlighting it and just deleting it on out of there. So that's an important step. Next thing here, it's going to say, what about bonuses? Notice this product came with some built-in bonuses. So because it comes with the produced PowerPoints and everything that actually list all the content on there that they get. It's going to also include these 2 high converting squeeze page templates, all that. So it's got all these bonuses sitting there for them. And the next part that you're going to get here, if you scroll on down, you can go ahead and edit anything else. Like let's say you want to change the price to, let's go down here. and I'm slashing the price, and you can go on and just edit anything you want out of here. So you'll see here it's also going to ask for fast action bonuses. So this would be a spot for you to put in any bonuses that you have. So that's an important thing to look at with any PLR sales page is to edit out this part. If you don't have a bonus, that's fine. You can just delete this part out of it as well. So you can just right click and just hit delete if you don't want an image in there. And so again, if there's something you don't need, just right click and hit delete. That'll delete it right on out of there for you. Most of this template, especially this one, it's made a lot with graphics. Of course, there's all this text to edit, but if there's part you don't want, just try to right click on it and you should be able to delete on out of there. This again would be just like the testimonials. Everybody's bonus is going to be different, and that's a great way to position yourself as different from everybody else, is to offer some slightly different bonuses. And a great spot, if you need additional bonuses, is go to Google and look for private label rights material related to whatever the PLR is you're selling, and include that. Maybe include squeeze pages that might go along with this. You can decide what you want your bonuses to be, but make sure you edit that part out as well. The what you get part is kind of included here. The complete set of video trainings, the incredible bonus, and then you can include your bonuses. Your price today only $37. Maybe you want to make it $47. You can do that there. So don't wait, for the facts action bonus. And then yes, where it says your name, that would be, of course, your name. So yes, John, because I'm using the example of John Smith here. Yes, John, I want to secure my copy of the Simple List Building Blueprint. And everything else should load, just like this. So for this step, it's just, to go through this page, make sure you edit it out with your name. Edit it out with your name, your information, make any other edits you want to the page, and then you're ready to go ahead to, to edit the order button. That's an important part of the process. So again, so you should have gone through here and edited all these, all these steps here. So the next thing you're going to want to do in the next step, what you're going to want to do is set up go ahead and set up your thank you page, or your download page, I should say. So we're just going to go here and open up our download page. So you see here our download page template. Most good PLR will come with a download page template. And we're going to edit this page a little bit. So thanks for your purchase and your confidence. This is the part where you would go in and make any edits that you have, related to, your download page, anything you want to make. So thanks for your purchase and your confidence. Please download your product below. And then this actually already has the instructions in there. You'll need an unzip program, a PDF reader, all that's already there for you. And then, we'll edit out the your name part. So we'll make sure to plug that in. And the next thing that we want to edit here is we want to start putting in details about this particular product. So we want to come in here and start linking up our download files. So after you've made your edits to your download page, you just want to save those. And we're going to go over and start uploading some of our videos actually to our hosting company, so that we can actually provide a link. I'm only going to show one example so you can see how to upload the rest of the videos, but this would go with any product, whether it's a PDF or a video PLR. So in the very next step, what it's going to include is going in there after you've edited your download page, is going in, uploading your files, and then we're going to go back and add links to our download page.